Hey guys, this is Dave Vass with Local Online Advertising Experts. And in this video, I'm going to show you something really cool. We've been developing a custom contact manager for some of our clients, and more specifically, people that we've been generating a lot of leads for. Some of those clients we generate real estate leads for. Other clients we generate leads just for their local business. We actually use it for ourselves, for one of our businesses as well, one of our mobile marketing businesses. And I'm really proud of this because I've been generating leads on the internet for quite a while and for years. And I've used contact managers from different companies. But this contact manager, even though it might not look as pretty as some of the ones you've seen out there, I think it has the basic features that everybody really wants, and I've just cut out all the other stuff, and so it's really, I think, effective, it's simple, it's to the point, and I think you guys are going to love it. So I'm just going to go through the video and show you how it works, and then hopefully after you see how it works, you can use it as well, and hopefully it helps out your business. So here we go. So this is the home page. If you go to organizedleads.com, you can read more about it, just some information. There's a tab about us that you could go to. Obviously, we're local online advertising experts. You can visit our site. Sign up. This is where you sign up for an account. Right now, believe it or not, we're not charging. You have to be our client of local online advertising experts and in order to use this, but right now we're not charging to use it. There may be a day coming where we decide to, but right now, as you're watching this video, we are not charging. So this is the sign up page. Pretty simple. My internet for some reason is a little bit slow, but this is the sign up page right here. And let's see what happens here. Hopefully we can. Okay, there we go. Go through and just fill out your information right here. Click submit. Once you click submit, you can then log in using your username and password. You can contact us. There's an email. You can contact us anytime. So I'm going to log in actually to my account here. Hopefully this is the right password. Okay, so I'm logging into my account, and this is actually for a real business, by the way. This is not a fake demo account. That you're looking at my account for our mobile marketing business that we have. And I want to give you just a few things that you'll see right away. Is that you're going to see recent activities on the right. Our contact info's here. And then also you're going to see hot leads. Any lead that has a status as hot are going to show up on the home page right away. It's just an easy way of seeing what leads are hot. This conversation board I really love. This is one of the key features of the system, is that you can actually write a conversation. Now you're probably wondering, well, who are you going to have the conversation with, and what does that mean? Well, the way I built this contact manager that's so unique compared to most other contact managers is that you can sign up as a team leader. So I've signed up for an account, let's say. Then you can actually sign up sub-users. You just go here. I am already a sub-user on this account. I'm going to log in as a manager in a second. But you can sign up as an account manager, let's say. Let's call it that. I called myself manager here. And then let's say you have a whole bunch of people that are on your team, on your business, or whatever. You can then start signing them up as sub-users so that everybody's using it together, and you can assign leads. So the account manager can control the leads and then assign those leads to all of their sub-users. So let's say that you're a realtor getting a whole bunch of leads. You can then assign those leads to all the other realtors that you have under you that want to get those leads. And we're actually in the process of building something really cool. It's a surprise that's even going to make your life easier. But so the manager can communicate on the conversation, so they can make comments, like as you can see, good work, and then they can make comments on their leads, and sorry, my son just came in there, And it's really, really neat how you can use this feature, because when you're following up with leads, guys, so I'm just going to click on a lead here. As I'm following up with this lead, it gives me the information. I can actually edit the lead, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Just bear with me. But as I'm calling the lead, you know, whatever, I'm actually writing notes. Now, the conversation board is for writing notes. It's for maybe having a conversation with your account manager. It's for everything. Because as you write it, it's like a note, because it gives you a date and time. The manager can come in and comment on it if they want, which I'll show you in a second, so that there's a conversation going on. You can write as many notes or as many conversation pieces as you want. So if you come in here later and you talk to them again, I just talked again, you could say that. You can upload a file, you can upload a link. Like if I have audio recording, voice recordings, I upload the file of the voice recording. You can actually see that in the documents section over here. So I've uploaded voicemail recordings of our leads as well. So there's all kinds of cool things that you can do, and once you start using this conversation feature and you tell your team members that are all, let's say you're the account holder, you tell all your team members to use it, you're going to see how cool it is. It's really, really neat. Now if you click on edit lead, by the way, I'll come to this assign lead in a second. If you click on edit lead, you're going to see that you're able to edit the lead at any time, and this is where you edit the status of the lead. Now, I've made this very simple, so the status can be hot, medium, or low. All right, pretty simple. You can edit the comments as well. These are the comments that the lead has made, not that you've made. You leave your comments and notes and all that. You leave that in the conversation board piece that I showed you. Now you're going to notice that this is called a general lead. A general lead means that it's just first name, last name, phone number, email, all right, with some comments. Now, and that's important to understand, because I've actually labeled leads within the system right now as general lead, realtor lead, and mortgage lead. Now, you also have emails. This is just a cool feature that whatever email you signed up in the system with, if you click on send email and then you click on subject, put in the subject, this is obviously who it's sending to because it's my lead. You can add one attachment. So if you have multiple files or multiple documents, just make sure you zip it up, put it in a zip file, and then send it. But you can add an attachment, send the message, and when you do that, it actually stores, let me go back into that lead. It actually stores that message for you guys so that you know the date and time that you sent the message. I think this is really cool because it's sending the email from your email. All right, so the person getting it is seeing your email. They're not seeing organized leads or anything like that. They're seeing your email. Now, speaking of organized leads, that's just the name I came up with it. Local Online Advertising Experts owns this. And when you get a lead in the system, you're going to get an email that notifies you. So if you're an account holder and you're getting the leads coming to you and you're managing it, you're going to get an email every time a lead comes in that says, you know, from Local Online Advertising, you have a new lead. All right, you log into your system to see the lead, and then once you see the leads, you can then assign those leads. So if I come in here and I say, if I say, oh, okay, I see that lead, and if I want to assign the lead, I could actually assign that lead to whoever I want that's on my team. Now, I'm obviously not going to assign the lead to anybody right now because these are real leads that we have for our business, but it gives you the idea that it's really neat. I'm going to show you actually in a second how it looks like as the manager. See, I'm one of just the team members right now I'm logged into, but I'm going to show you what it looks like as the account manager. So you can assign leads, which I think is neat. You can close the lead. Close the lead means that the lead is now closed and they're just a contact. So if you close a lead, it'll go into your contact folder, and you're able to export, by the way. If you have a date, like you want to export a certain date, a certain week, you can export those leads. So let me show you real quick what it looks like. I'm going to log in as the manager. Okay, so obviously you can see, because I'm so busy, Dave Vass, my account, I don't follow up with as many leads as Doug and Steve, which you're going to see in a second. But here's the manager. So you're going to notice that the manager has a lot more activity because the manager is actually managing a team. So you're going to see that there's a message from Doug, the manager responds, all kinds of things like that. You can see all the hot leads. There's a lot of them. You can see all the activity on here. If I click on leads, you're now going to see all these leads that are in here and who they're assigned to. Now this is really neat. They're assigned to Doug, Steve, Doug, Steve. Obviously all these leads right here have come in yesterday and nobody's actually gone in and assigned them to anybody. But you can see that this is really neat. And by the way, these leads are no good to you. These are for our mobile marketing, so don't worry if you're seeing these. Please don't do anything with them. I'm not going to block it out because I just trust you guys. I have a good relationship with you guys. So that's that. And I'm going to go into... sorry about that. I'm going to go into now documents. Again, documents you can upload. We have actually put in different files for our documents. You can add folders and then put in different documents into those folders. But this is the main thing that I wanted you to see for the contact excuse me, for the contact management is the users. So we have 3 users right now on the system. So if you wanted to add a user. Now, what is a user? A user is a sub-user. It means that you're the account manager, and it means that you're actually adding somebody to your account. Okay, so they're a sub-user. As the account manager, you're now able to assign leads to them. You're able to communicate. They're part of your team. So if you want to add a user as an account manager, you simply click on New. You add it right here. Bam. You have to add it though. You're not sending a link to your user. You're getting their information and adding them as a user. So if you're a realtor that has a whole bunch of realtors, then you add this, all the other realtors by adding that. Now I want to show you something real quick again. Here there's a lead type, general mortgage realtor. So your leads are going to come in and they're going to say realtor, they're going to say general or mortgage, depending on what leads, what kind of leads you're getting. So right now, obviously, most people will have general. If you're a realtor, it's going to come in as realtor leads. So that's pretty much it, folks. I just wanted to show you how this works. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or contact us, send us an email. I think once you start using it, you're going to see why I love it. I just basically made something that is exactly what I would use, and I've been using leads for years and years. So hopefully you like it, guys, and I have a surprise coming, like I said. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it should be ready in the next couple weeks, just a little addition. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.